Hello and welcome to Excel Essentials. In this session, we'll be covering the AVERAGEIF formula. The AVERAGEIF formula in Excel calculates the average arithmetic mean of a range of cells that meet a specific criteria. You can have it for calculating whether you have multiple different products, as we do here in the range. Or what you can also do is you can get it to ignore blanks, you can get it to calculate averages for values greater than a certain number. There are various things you can do. We're going to start off with a simple one, and we're going to average up all the products that have Apple, and we want to get the average sales amount for apples. So we're going to come into any random cell, and we're going to do equals, and we're going to type the AVERAGEIF formula. Then whilst we're here, we want to select the range. So this range will be where our data will be, what we're looking for. And we're going to select any cell in this column, and we're going to hold Control Space, and it will select the whole column for us. Then we're going to hit comma. And now we're looking for Apple. So we're going to just hard code it in, and we're going to open speech marks, type Apple, and close it. And then we're going to hit comma. And now this is where we need to specify the value in this scenario. Then we're just going to select any cell in the sales amount column and then do the same Control Space, and it will select the whole column for us. Once we're done, we'll close the bracket and hit enter. And we see that the average amount of apples sold is 206. So if we select the 100 here, hold Control and hit the 300 and then the 220, we can see in the bottom right, the average is the same as what has been calculated here. Now we can also average the number of sales that were greater than a specific value or lower than a specific value. So as you see, we've got some sales values between 100 and 300, and let's say we want to get the average for sales that were over 200 alone. Now we could filter, and we could go to filter greater than 200 and then select and look in the bottom right, and you'll probably think, well, yeah, that's quite a quick way, but there is a quicker way with the AVERAGEIF formula. So the value we're looking for is this 256.67. So let's just keep an eye out for that. I'm going to do our calculation here in the same column as we did our previous one. So we're going to do AVERAGEIF, and we're going to open the bracket. Now the range this time is we're going to be focusing on the sales amount column instead of the product, because we're looking at number of sales greater than 200. So we're just going to select the column by selecting any random cell in it and hitting Control Space. And then here is where the criteria is slightly different. Here we'll require the speech marks, and we'll open it first and do greater than 200. And then we'll close it and hit enter. And there you go, in that quick 2 seconds of typing that formula, we've now matched what would have taken us a couple more seconds by filtering. Stay tuned for more Excel Essentials.